Furman from Tarlow, Breed, Hunt, and Rogers. Hey, Mark, how are you?
I'm great. Nice to see you both.
Feeling a little better from the last time we were at, John?
Feeling great. Thanks very much.
Excellent. Well, what's going on in the crazy world of legal wars?
Well, several months ago we talked about this case involving Coverall of North America, Inc., which the federal court decided had misclassified their franchisees and that they were in fact employees under the Massachusetts Wage Act. And so based upon that decision, the court turned to what were the appropriate damages, and it asked the state court, the Supreme Judicial Court, to answer 4 questions. There's a procedure where the federal court can ask the state court what is the law in Massachusetts and certain questions. So it's sort of a way to get the decision right when a federal judge is interpreting Massachusetts law.
Mark, why don't you refresh our memory on the case, just
Okay.
so we can tie it back?
So Coverall is a cleaning company, and what they did was they set up their business by making the people who perform the cleaning services franchisees rather than employees. And the folks who did the cleaning services had to buy in like a regular franchisee, and so much down and then so much over time. And then there was an account receivable financing program, and the folks had to supply their own workers' compensation and other insurance. And the problem came, there was a lawsuit brought challenging that these people were actually franchisees. So you take a classic franchisee would be, say, Dunkin' Donuts operator, McDonald's operator. This was a little different. A lot of the folks were the only people working. In other words, a particular franchisee may not have had any employees, may have just been the only one providing the services. So they challenged in federal court the claim that they were employees. So a lot flows from the decision whether you're an employee or independent contractor, as we've talked about before. But among them is that wages must be paid within, I think it's 6 days of the end of a pay period, and there can't be set-offs against wages except in unusual cases. So the federal court decided several months ago that these folks had been misclassified. They were really employees, and now that we were at the federal court needed to determine damages, so it asked 4 questions to the